My name's Liam Lee, and I'm an artist and designer based in Brooklyn, New York. Because it's an additive, like you can continuously add more and more material or more layers of wool. There's no true, stopping point. So I have to, at a certain point, sort of step away and say, this is done. I think it's more like, so I was mentioning sort of how plants grow too, like each, a seed sort of, this is like Goethe's Metamorphosis of Plants. You have a seed that then grows into its final form as a plant. What I'm really interested in is sort of how we interact with the natural growth logic of that plant and how we can sort of like sculpt it over time as it grows, or like certain limbs die off, or you maybe like tend to one area more and it grows bigger and fuller. Sort of like how people sort of like shape bonsai trees over centuries. I dye all of the wool, which I source from North Carolina, and I use acid dyes, which is for natural fibers like silk and wool. And that allows me to sort of get very vibrant, consistent colors. And I can, sort of really play with the colors and mix my own, which working with, natural dyes, I don't think you can get as vibrant of colors and as consistent of colors, or it takes a lot more skill to get to that point.